How are you?
Um, I thank you.
Oh, fine. I'm very good. How old are you, Candy?
8 years old.
8 years old. The Candy. How many people are there in your family?
There are 4.
4 people.
Yes.
What animal do you like?
I like dogs.
Do you like crocodile? Rabbit. Yes. Hamster.
Yes.
Oh, cute hamster, right? Okay. Are you thirsty?
No.
No. What about hungry?
No.
No. What food do you like?
I like noodles.
Noodles and what else?
And
Do you like mangoes or apple or strawberry? What do you like?
I like
Cookies. You like cookies or candies? Because your name is Candy, right? So you like candies. Very good. Now let's start our speaking test, Candy. You have to speak loudly, okay?
Yes.
Because I want to see your mouth. Alright, first let's talk about vocabulary. Tell me, what are you doing?
I'm eating. I'm painting. I'm sleeping. I'm dancing.
Very good. Spell eating. E.
E-I-T-I-N-G.
Good. Spell painting.
P-A-I-N-E-I-T-I-N-G.
T. Spell sleeping. Up. S.
S-L-E-E-P-I-N-G.
Good. Dancing.
D-A-N-C-I-N-G.
Very good, Candy. Nice one. What do you have? Oh, first I want to know what's this. What is this?
Is baseball.
This one is this.
Is paddle.
This one.
Is helmet. Is soccer ball.
Do you have soccer ball?
Yes.
Yes. How many soccer ball do you have?
I have one
One.
soccer ball.
Okay. This one you have?
I have
Do you have paddle? No, you don't. What about baseball? Do you have baseball in your house? Yes.
I have
Yes. Do you have baseball? No, you don't have. Yes, you don't. You have this one, right? Do you have helmet? How many helmets do you have?
I have one helmet.
Also, one helmet. Very good. Now let's move on to the school things. What are they?
They are three markers.
Okay, next is
They are 4 erasers.
good. They are.
They are color
How many
pencils.
colors?
Is 4 color pencils.
They are.
They are 6 pens.
Very good. Okay, Candy, do you have pens? Yes or no? Yes, I
Yes.
do. Okay. How many pencils do you have?
I have
3 or 2?
I have 12 pencils.
My gosh, a lot of pens. Okay. What about erasers? Do you have erasers?
I have
Yes, right? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
yes I do.
How many erasers do you have?
I have 2 erasers.
2 erasers. Okay. What about markers? Do you have markers?
I have
Yes, I do. No, I don't.
yes I do.
So how many?
I have 1 markers.
1 marker. Only marker, no S. Okay, 1 marker. Very good. What about pencil, crayon, or crayon pencil? Crayon pencil, crayon. What is this? Pencil, crayon, right? Color pencils, right? Color pencils. Oh, do you have color pencils in your house? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
No, I don't.
No, I don't. Okay, no problem. Now let's move on to phonics. What's this?
Is water.
No S, water.
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 Yes. What is the beginning sound? What is this?
Is a question. Is a
Kangaroo. What's the beginning sound?
sound.
Good. What is this?
Is a rabbit.
What's the beginning sound?
Sound.
It's a
Is a ostrich.
ostrich. Beginning sound.
Sound.
Where's the dog? The dog.
Hello, Peter.
Panther. What's the beginning sound?
Sound.
Good. Ah, very nice. Now let's read. What is this?
Draw a half circle.
Okay, where is it? Can you point where is the half circle? Okay, next.
Mouse.
Okay, next. And next is?
Brush your teeth.
Okay, very good. So now it's about time for you to present your daily routine. Okay, Candy? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, go. Good morning. Wait, 6. And have breakfast. Then I go to school. At what time you go to school? 7. And I eat lunch. 11. I go at 4 o'clock, and then I like playing. Very good. I say sleep with mom. No, only you. All right. Say thank you for listening. Very good. Goodbye. Wow. Very nice. Okay, continue studying, okay? So some words you forgot, but you have to study again, okay? All right. Say goodbye.